This is Alex from APlus Interior Design and Remodeling. We're here in Mission Viejo at the Hanks residence. We've already demolished this kitchen. If you come across here, Frank, we're going to be removing this partition wall. Even though it's parallel to the ceiling joist, we just met with the engineer. This is a non-bearing wall. This is a non-bearing wall. And basically those partitions are going to go away. This whole room, the kitchen, is going to be pushed out into this corner so we can center the sink into the window. We're going to make some special deeper cabinets across because the dishwasher is not going to be in the left. Now that the sink will be in the center to pass this vent pipe that's in here. We're going to go and do a focal point hood. Adrian right now is doing the detailing of the concept. We're moving the refrigerator and the pantry over to this side. If you notice the subfloor to the bottom of the top plate of where the window is 37 inches. We obviously don't want to have the countertops to be much higher than that. We're going to basically set the top of our subtop to the same level of the top plate of this pony wall, and then the granite's going to slip in. It's actually not going to go inside the window. It's basically going to butt into that existing garden window that they have. What's nice is we're here with Adrian and Leo. Leo is the project manager. Adrian is doing the detailing right now. So we're working all these little issues as they come up on the project and solving them as we're here. We are removing once this wall goes away, the partition wall goes away, this peninsula is going to have a nice wainscoting all the way down to the ground. We are going to tie that wainscoting to tie in with the doors that we're making in this job. It's nice that we're making our own doors because we can incorporate that detail to tie in. And then the floors are going to continue. We're doing wood floors all the way through the kitchen. It's going to go into the family room. It's going to follow all the way across to the entry. And I think we're doing it also in that entire section in the formal living room. And so the house is just going to feel so much larger just by having everything flow together. We're also putting in, building brand new railing coming down across in here. So it's going to be stained and made to tie in with the kitchen cabinets. We're redoing the fireplace. If you look at the fireplace, we removed this platform that went all the way across. And if you notice underneath this brick structure, there's a metal plate that's holding the entire brick above it, and we noticed that this whole platform is built with sand and cement, but if you look down below it, we notice that these pillars are going all the way down to the ground, so that's what's holding the brick above it. So if you're a do-it-yourselfer and you're removing any kind of brick, definitely always look underneath to look at that plate and make sure you're not removing that plate. We're also going to be doing the bathroom here. This bathroom is going to get, the soffit was removed. The shower has a very tall shower dam. We have no light, so you're not going to be able to see much in here at this point. But we're going to go ahead and remove and lower the shower dam, so it's an easier step through. New cabinets, new counters, and new floors. The bar is going to stay as it is. We're going to build them a new mantle across the fireplace structure, and stay tuned for the next process. We are going to actually remove the drywall from the ceiling because the lights that they have the remodel cans. Remodel cans have these little clips in here that eventually sometimes lift apart. So once we remove that drywall, we're going to go ahead and put all new LED lights. We're going to do them with a nail-on construction. Also, the hood went from the peninsula cooktop. Is going to be a focal point over here. So we're going to go ahead and have a duct ramp all the way across here, but because the ceiling joists go against the way we want to, we're going to basically create a flat box similar to what this is. So that flat box of ductwork is going to go either above the cabinet, or we're going to specially make the backs of the cabinets to have a hidden soffit in them to allow that duct to follow through to the outside, to be able to move the cooktop and the back wall like we planned. There's also going to be a wood hood as a focal point, and this wing wall is coming out as well. It's going to open up open up the kitchen and create this whole corridor that was divided and made the kitchen look really small. By doing these few little changes, it's going to make the kitchen much larger and much more easier to work in. This is Alex from APlus Interior Design and Remodeling. I'm at Mission Viejo at the Hanks Residence, and stay tuned for the next chapter of this remodel. Thank you.